Yeah, blessings. Bless up everybody who there. Yeah, you know, say tomorrow I'm strong, so I'm forward with an excited performance. You see me? Yeah, big up everybody on the Instagram live. Come see it, you know. Smokey. Judges, big up on yourself. Yeah. May I tell you, see me have ambition. My dream not the rightest out of the airport. All around France. You see me? Let me tell you, our general. You know what thing go. Tash, Keisha, Nero. Yeah man, give me some volume, little bit fun. Alright, every day man clean and I live them dream. And I count money like a money machine. Roll out me and the team, here be a girl a scream. Be a head a pass when they see rolling. Every day man clean and I live them dream. And I count money like a money machine. Roll out me and the team, here be a girl a scream. Girl a just when they see rolling. Watch out now, I saw we do it and no care. No sir, dog them never have fear. Run up on the team and something must steer. Anywhere you see me, yo dog the team, they dear. Hennessy a pull and I never like beer. I'm swear better life I feel live this year. Turn it up, no care about who no want here. We out here without fear, we out here. Man clean and I live them. And I count money like a money machine. Roll up me and the team, here be a gal a scream. Be a head a pass when they see rolling. Every day man clean and I live for me. And I count money like a money machine. Roll up me and the team, here be a head a pass when second verse. Yo them know what to work. With this overturn, you know say you're dirt. Big Gucci belt, where they under me shirt. Girl them love the badness, so them not gone to church. Same girl for me, she back up like she a reverse. As me waking in the morning, split my light first. Long life on the pre-go tell her, with the earth. When me don't stop prayer because the prayer never work. Blessing off me flow all on, we no go church. Tell bad man move, when them see me done a work. See them for me page and them a watch, them alert. Go on that choppy line then, go look at work. For the money man go search man, clean and I live them dreams. And I put money like, yeah. Go.
Hey, Dessy, you really forward out, excited for real. The man forward out, the man say clean like Jesus peace, you know. So you know that going on. You get to be a talk about Harold. Hey, put more for sure.
Yo, Vaz. Dessy Frass. Yeah. Love how you do the energy on the stage, my general. Love the projection where I use as well. You know what I mean? Love the summer vibe, the party vibes, the Christmas vibe, any type of vibe. When you talk about raving, you talk about a song like that. You see me I deal with in a real life. You know what the problem though? The breath control. You know? Yeah. You see the reason I second verse, you see because you put so much energy in my first verse, one piece of breath control all in the second verse and you have to thump up back your rhythm, but that's how it go. I just we have to work on it. As me says, a solid 8, my general.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. Yes, Kisha Las Vegas. ABC put a big smile on your face around the sun. Your smile gone weird on one part.
You know, some persons might not agree with me, but you remind me a bit of Popcorn. You know them fun party vibes and yo! I don't know how to do it, but whatever. You remind me of that. You make up your own thing as you go along, and we're having fun with the idea of you. So for me, I give it a 9.
Hey, thank you for that. Nero Balisha, quick and fast. You know.
It's a 9 for me still. That's a birth control problem. Nothing else. That's
alright. Alright, Dessy, I tell you, you're forward. Hey, but have one hill, run one part of great and this up. But why you start the running from the foot of the hill, go way up to the top. See? Big up yourself.